So over here you can see that I have a project, and if you want to export out this project, then all you need to do is you need to go around and click on the share tab right here. So once you go around over here, you can go around onto the save to option. You can click around over here and you can select desktop, let's say for example, and the destination folder will be set. You can see an estimated file size over here, but you can go to advanced settings over here to change around how the video is encoded. So you can see that automatic preset is actually selected now, but you can also go around and select from one of these platforms right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and select Facebook 720p right here. And over here, if you want to make further changes, you can go around onto resolution, choose, let's say, for example, 1080p or like 720 or even 4K, as you can see right here. You can select out the frame rate of the video that you want to export as well. And even for the audio, you can go around and select out the audio channel that you want to use. So I'm just going to go around and select stereo, and you can also remove out the audio altogether if you don't want it. On the quality settings, you can go for high right here, but the file size is high as well. But if you want to make it low in file size, which does affect the quality, then you can go for low quality over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here and select low in my case right here. And you can see it is 9 MB, but high right here is 28 MB. So if I were to go around low right here, that will be the file size. If I were to press the play button, then you will see a preview of the video right there. And if you want to export it as 4K, you can click on this, but I'm just going to go around and do a normal export. So I'm going to click on export button right here. So once I do that, here you can see that it is being rendered right here, and it is normally being encoded right here. And it is normal for it to take a bit of time to get rendered because video editing is quite a heavy task right here. So it is rendering, as you can see right here, and then it'll take 5 seconds right here. Will take some time. So I'm just going to go to the part where the render finishes. The render has now complete, as you can see right here. So you can go around over here and view this in Explorer, as you can see right here. And then the location where the video is opens up. So here you go. You can see that this is the video right here in MP4 format. So if I were to go around and double click, then you can see that the video plays normally right here, just like this. And there you go. There's the edited footage right there. And that is how you can export footage inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.